Rich, bold, and smooth, just like an espresso martini. Today I'm showing you how to create this deep brown nail look with gold flakes. Let's get into it. Meet Aficionado by Akzentz, a rich espresso toned brown that is as smooth as your favorite coffee. This is the perfect base for our luxe gold flecked design. This formula is ultra pigmented, so even the first coat gives solid coverage. But for that super opaque finish, we're going in with 2 layers. I've cured both layers for 30 seconds each in my LED lamp, and look at the intensity. These are the gold flakes I'll be working with today. I've had these for so long because you only need a tiny bit every time you use them. And I also love how they're super thin so they don't add too much bulk to the nail. To attach the gold flakes, I'm using Shine On by Akzentz. A no wipe top coat is key here, because the gold chrome I'm adding later needs a tack-free finish to work properly. Now it's finally time to put on the gold flakes. I've already applied a thin layer of top coat so the gold flakes have something to stick onto. If a flake is too big, no problem. You can just tear it into smaller pieces. For this design, concentrate the placement of the gold flakes in the center of the nail. No right or wrong way to do this, just play around until you love how it looks. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'm curing it for 30 seconds to lock it in. This gold chrome from Savaland is what's going to take this look to the next level. Now for the magic. I'm using a sponge applicator to rub the gold chrome right over the center of the nail. This gives a soft metallic shine that makes the gold pop even more. This next step seems subtle, but it makes all the difference. I'm mixing Aficionado with top coat about 1:1 ratio to shear it out. I'm lightly layering this over parts of the gold, not covering the whole center, just here and there. This adds dimension and gives the nail a more interesting layered look. Now I'm curing it for 30 seconds to lock everything in. I'm applying a layer of top coat to seal everything. If the gold flakes feel a little bumpy, you can buff the surface after curing the first layer. Then add a second top coat to smooth everything out. And here's the final look. The contrast with the solid brown on the other fingers really make this design pop. Here's how the design pairs with some other fun nail art. What do you think? Should I make tutorials for these other nails too? As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!